Perhaps those who may be among us tonight for the first time may be wondering what is going to happen now.
Hold him close, petals of a rose, thorns as well, friends and foes, have no fear.
Don't you trust me? You trust me? You trust me? You must trust me. Trust me.
What is going to happen now?
I can't see much in the future.